You need to change your oil. Maybe not right this very second, but you will, and checking to see if you're low is simple. Locate the filler cap and dipstick, always on the top of your engine. Remove the dipstick and wipe it clean. Then insert for a moment and remove again. The dipstick is going to have a series of marks on it showing you a safe oil level. Falling near the middle of that range means you have the right amount of oil for your car. Keeping up to date on your oil change is one of the best ways to extend your engine life and in turn the life of your entire vehicle. If you have a warranty attached to said vehicle, you've got to do your oil changes on schedule or else it will be voided by the manufacturer. The oil in your engine serves a number of purposes, including cooling, cleaning, lubricating, and protecting from corrosion. That's just another reason we encourage you to visit us so we can use factory-suggested parts and oil during the service. You can book your service appointment at www.midwaynissan.com or by calling 905-668-6828. You can find us right in the heart of Whitby at 1300 Dundas Street East. Drive safe.